What's up guys, today we are going to be playing Rival. So in this video, the best Transformer and the best Gamer Pro Dude are going to be teaming up with another team. So let's see who will win. Bro, why are you laughing?
Bro, I'm sorry, man.
Okay,
I thought it
okay,
was
whatever.
Big Crossroad.
I literally thought, oh my gosh, they are literally so bad at this map, bro. Let's even see.
I'll use
They both are snipers, so let's see. So there's a 101 level people. I mean whatever. So I don't know if they could do it, and all the best Transformer. I mean the best Gamer Pro is so fun that he got out already with a 25 kills. So let's see if the best Transformer can select.
Bro, I'm lagging.
Laggy. That was
Wait, I will
expected.
make you guys listen.
That was very expected. Like so expected that even a stranger should know that these are buns. The buns. That
Bro really got sniped on Arena.
Bruh. This is battleground, not arena. Bunsy. I guess that's the
What the
goal
hell,
again.
man?
Bruh, are you like taking bun? Do you like burgers? You like burgers? Just tell me.
And
What M?
fine. I have a first rifle.
Bruh, do you like burgers? So that's why you were so buns, I guess. Use knife, bruh. You were so close. You could backstab him, and he would like be one touch health then. Bruh, rifle is like the worst.
What? Bro, it's good.
Bruh, it does not even shoot that far. Literally.
Bro, they are one tap, bro.
Bruh, they both are one tap. Bruh. I don't know about the 25 one, but the 101 is the...
Bro, you got it.
You got it only 25 level. Look at your level, 62. Come on, you can do this. Bruh.
Bro, you gonna die.
Bruh, you are going to die. Bruh, your level. Look at your level, bruh. Look at your level. Come on, you can do this. Come on.
Bro, it's
Bro,
you
what are you
behind
doing?
you. You dumb.
Bruh, his health was only 68 and his level was 25.
Bro, we are already raging.
Bruh, they are already raging. I'm glad I'm not playing this. Because I don't want to be mad right now. I don't know why. But still. He's out already, I guess.
Only 125 health. But...
Bruh, oh my
Bro, what?
God.
Oh, okay. I thought you died. Or
Bruh,
I
we
would
are on the
have.
yellow team. We always got on the purple team, so that's why he thought that we got out.
Bro, the other
Not.
person. Bro, why? What the hell?
Bruh, what is his health? What is his health?
It's only one tap.
Yeah. Oh my! Finally, it is their first point. Is it their first point? Let's see.
Brought by me.
Whatever. Let's see if these noobs can get another point.
So they are not noobs.
I'm talking about you guys.
Oh, my
Yeah.
mistake, I guess.
Whatever. You guys wondering? You know what? Guys,
Yeah, bro, we are losing.
oh my god, bruh. Literally, just try this already, bruh.
So I gotta use a knife.
Whatever. I guess we have to play another round with our people that can actually get beaten by me. Bro, you know what? Before we were like so good at the game, but then we like stopped for
For a long while.
long while, like few months. So after that, yep,
Bro, I don't
we lost
even.
our peace. So now we are buns at this game. Like the buns. We are like the buns. I think his health will be one tap.
Abe, I'm
Just kill him. Just kill him, bruh.
Let's go.
Let's go,
This is
come
gonna be
on,
the
come
biggest comeback.
Bruh, you can do this, and literally this will be the biggest comeback in Rivals, I think. I think it would be like the biggest comeback in Rivals. So let's see if these guys can do the comeback or just lose it 2 points. Let's see.
We are a noob though.
Yeah, I'm telling you right. I am also a noob, but still, I am not a noober than them. They are noober than
What
me.
did you say?
Nothing. Right, guys, did you hear me say something about them?
Bro, we're gonna lose.
Oh yeah, we are.
Bro, this is not our.
lose.
This is like not the ideal map I wanted to play because
Okay, fine. We are.
you give me one more chance.
Okay. I will give you one more chance. Let's see if in big crossroads that you
Yeah,
are
bro,
really good at.
I want big crossroads, man.
At big crossroads, let's see if you can cook up. Let's see. The
Bro,
first.
big crossroad is
This
good.
is going to be very annoying, but no one comes in. Okay. Oh, okay. Nah, you are done. You are
We'll
done.
take our revenge.
Okay, let's see if you can. Brad 50-50.
No, bro, this is not fair.
This is
We have to play
actually-
another round until we get a big crossroad, bro.
Yeah, let's see. If you guys have to play, let's see how many rounds we should play. Let's see.
I think we should win this one, bro.
I think on the
Actually.
third round, you will literally get big crossroads. Yeah, this is very just. He literally defeat the guy. Literally, he's so easy. He's literally standing. He's literally standing still. He's not even now he's moving. First he was not. Bruh, the best chance for
Bro, if he
dude.
manages to kill us both, bro, GG.
Bruh, literally. Okay. I guess you did. I guess. Bro, what is? Oh my god. Well, literally, instead of like you guys are missed out, bruh. The best jump over face was so.
Bro, I'm actually
Bruh,
one
what
tap. Bro, I'm actually one tap.
Bruh,
No.
Just move. Why are you getting 6 health for yourself, bruh? Come
Bro,
on,
he's
come
like,
on, come on.
let's go.
Oh my gosh, come
We're gonna
on.
take our revenge.
Let's see if you guys can take our revenge. Can you do it with only them getting 1 point?
0 point. You're gonna get 0.
You going to do 5-0?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Yes. Are these the same people?
Yes.
Okay, I guess. So, yeah, let's just see what this is all about. Bro, literally he did not even know that you were behind him. He just thought that the best gamer pro dude is killing him. But that was, I don't know why, but it
Bro,
was
they
so
left.
easy.
Bro, they left.
Bruh, one person left, not the 26th one.
So he thinks he can defeat us.
Bruh, he is literally 20. If you literally let him get 1 point, I would be very shocked. Literally only 1 point. But he's not even using a gun. Bruh, whatever. I think the game is lagging way too much. I don't know why. Are you using RPG?
Nice.
No. Him.
What?
Oh my god, you're 1 health. Bruh, what? Oh my god. Oh my god, bruh. You guys are buns. Oh my freaking god.
Bro, I was reloading.
Oh my freaking god, bruh. You guys are buns. You're so buns, bruh. Literally, a player with only. Oh my.
Bro, he's hacking. Bro, he don't
Bro.
have a gun, but he have a gun.
Bruh, he just believes he has a remote. Not even that.
He has
big.
more health than you.
But literally, that a person is 62 level, and what is your level?
55. I don't know.
I don't know, whatever, 55. A player is 62 level and 55. And is that in a team, and a player with, and the other team is 26 level, and he could get 1 point. I
We won,
literally so.
by the way.
You won, but
Bro, we have to
still.
do one more. I want crossroads.
Bruh, what is crossroads? This big crossroads.
It's only crossroads.
Whatever. So I think you will literally get big crossroads in this round, but I think that this round the video has only been like 12 minutes. So let's see. But this is like the boring part. I think we should cut this part. Literally, it's the boringest part. No one even comes. Literally, we just wait over here for 1 hour and no one comes. So.
Oh,
Okay. You are doomed. You guys are doomed. That the 26 level person is changed to 74 and the 101 level.
Finally. This is gonna be the last round.
Okay, I guess whatever. But if you like if you had 1 point, I would be shocked because you guys are buns. I hate this map, bro. Bro, we love this
Bro,
map.
I love this map.
Bro, me too. We literally, sometimes we got so OP that we literally win it. What is?
Bro, this dude is pay to win, bro.
Yup, I guess this dude is pay to win. He pay to win. Same, bruh. He did. These guys don't even like this map. That means they are buns at this map.
That does not count.
Yes, it does. Like you are not good at arena. Whatever. That was very structured, right? Like everyone knows that was very structured. Bruh, look at your level and look at like literally this level should be 1 and 0. Your level should be 0 because you are the best one. So yeah, I don't know what to do. Let's see what
Bro, I got sniped.
Bruh, you are
I think we should end the video, bro. We are gonna be there.
Bruh, finish this round though.
Bro, do you want us to get dead?
Yes.
Bro, that's it for today, bro. Okay, I guess we and we're gonna die.
Yeah, I want to see you guys die. Everyone wants to see you die. Everyone in the world wants to see you die. And Steven,
Bro, I can't. How did you get up there, bro?
But I don't know. He has a better computer, I guess. I don't know. I mean, my keyboard. He literally shoot a RPG up and then teleport because RPG is like the teleporter. Wherever you shoot, you literally get bounced over there. So yeah, you explode and flew over there. So, but literally defeat him, bro. Run, just slide and defeat. Why are you going back? Knife was not for that. You need to go in front and go very close to him to backstab him. Just defeat him. Yep. Now only this left. Kill him. You will get 1 point. You will get.
Bro, how bro, he jumped off the
He
map.
jumped off the map. And how did he even get up?
Bro, I think I'm having.
Bro, he is hacking.